Alrighty, so just wanted to hop on and do a quick recap of today's trades alongside an overall overview of the markets and what I'm looking to come in the next few weeks to months. So first, going over the indices are beginning to look a lot more bullish for sure. I'm noticing that we're approaching these highs in our consolidation period, so I'm expecting a continued move higher. Have we break above this range high, and I'm looking for continuation towards the upside for sure. Alongside that, SPY looking bullish as well. I'm just looking for the break above this current range high, and then we could see some continuation towards the upside. Now, moving into some tech names, Nvidia not looking too interesting, to be honest. Higher time frames are still within its consolidation period. We're actually towards the bottom of this range, so nothing very interesting on Nvidia as of now. Tesla, although looking a lot more bullish compared to Nvidia, if we hop over onto the daily chart, you can see that we're holding these lows extremely well. And you're also able to see that we have a clear shot towards your all-time highs being your 488s. So definitely going to be an opportunity I'm going to be looking at much more closely coming into the next few days to weeks, especially if we're able to break above our highs tomorrow. We're already outside basically of this consolidation range. So this could also be a swing position. Have we break above this consolidation period and looking for the retest into this range, I could see a lot of continuation towards the upside being your all-time highs and above on this name for sure. As for Apple, another interesting name, similar to Tesla. I mean, not as volatile as Tesla or as technically viable, but we're also getting a very actually nice retest on the higher time frames into a previous consolidation period high, followed by a big news push towards the upside and a bull flag forming as well in the higher time frames. I can see this name shooting towards the upside as well with Tesla and pushing towards new highs. I mean, we're already basically at our all-time highs, so we can obviously tap into our all-time highs once again. You can enter this is a good swing position also setting up here for these lows to be swept. That could be your stop loss, and then continuation towards 275 being a psych number that I could see in targets, and even 300s, to be honest. We might need some news or some sort of technical announcement, but I definitely see 300s in play for Apple. Have we break above this consolidation period with some strength alongside this bull flag that we're forming on the higher time frames. So definitely a name to be looking at. Apple's, we're going to mark a green flag right there. It looks very good alongside Tesla. These two names, very, very strong higher time frames, and I'd say Apple currently holding the strongest higher time frame, to be completely honest. Now for AMD, we are within a consolidation range. We're looking similar to Tesla actually on AMD. We had this big push up due to an OpenAI announcement on AMD. Now we're within a consolidation range after that large move towards the upside. I'm expecting within the next week, either the end of this week or next week, we're going to have a break outside of this range for a continuation towards the upside further. Just be waiting for that consolidation break on AMD. And yeah, we can have a lot of continuation towards the upside. I see a lot of potential in this name. I think we have an opportunity to push towards $1 trillion market cap within the next few years for sure. I think this name has a lot of potential with an OpenAI partnership alongside being a sympathy name for NVIDIA itself. And then those are the main tech stocks and the indices that I'm looking at. And then as for Bitcoin, I obviously see a ton of potential on this name as well. I think that once we reclaim these lows, if we get a 4-hour candle closure above your 110.241, this previous consolidation period, resistance highs and support lows, yeah, if we can get a clear candle close above this level, I think we have room obviously up towards your all-time highs being your 128,000 alongside your, continuation towards the highs. I have a very positive outlook on Bitcoin. I believe that this will have potential to reach $1 million by 2030 per coin. So definitely something you should be looking at. I actually made the mistake of taking a short position on this name due to a $235 million short being opened by a large insider whale and a technical breakdown. But mistake on my end. Lost a little bit of capital. I think a couple $100. Who cares? But yeah, still going to remain my positive outlook on Bitcoin. Closed out that short position for sure. We're back into longs. Yeah, just overall positive outlook on Bitcoin for the long term and the short term as well. Like I said, if we end up breaking back above these highs, right, or these consolidation period, I think we have a very clear shot towards new highs on this name for sure. And then for ETH, I mean, I don't really watch ETH too much, but similar to Bitcoin, I think if Bitcoin continues towards the upside, ETH will make a move up as well. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick little outlook on what I'm thinking for the markets and some of the tech names and other cryptos that I'm looking at as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a trade review and a little market recap potentially as well. All right, see you guys.